My name is Tommy, and this is a channel where I learn something new every episode until I become the most interesting man in the world.
People hang on his every word, even the prepositions. He could disarm you with his looks or his hands. Either way. He can speak French, in Russian. He is the most interesting man in the world.
I think you understand that you can't even see your face. Good girl.
Now before I jump into it, I have to lay down some ground rules. Rule number 1, I have to be able to solve a Rubik's Cube by myself, completely unassisted. I thought about setting a time rule, but I think I'm going to save that for a future episode. And then rule number 2 is I have to understand a little bit about the cube and its history, otherwise I feel like I'm kind of a circus animal performing a trick. Let's get to it. I started off by downloading a guide off the official Rubik's website and following along. From what I understand, the guide uses what is called the layer-by-layer method, which was developed by David Singmaster and published in his 1980 book, Notes on Rubik's Magic Cube, which is what it was originally called. It was called the Magic Cube when it was invented by Arnold Rubik in 1974, and it originally wasn't a toy. He developed it to demonstrate ideas in 3D space for his architecture lectures. It became popular as a toy in the 1980s, and it was rebranded the Rubik's Cube. Following the guide, my first solve took about an hour and a half, and with a little bit of practice, I could do it in about 10 minutes. However, I decided I wanted to get a little bit faster, so I decided to dig deeper and learn a little bit about speed cubing. A popular method among the speed cubing community is called the CFOP method, which was published online by Jessica Friedrich in 1997. Now, from what I understand, this method wasn't totally developed by her. It was a combination of a lot of ideas that were floating around at the time. She was just the one who published them online. The CFOP method and the layer-by-layer method start off pretty similar. They create a white cross matching up the edge piece and the middle piece, and then go on from there. However, the layer-by-layer method solves the corner piece and then the edge piece, while the CFOP method uses what's called first two layers to solve the corner piece and the edge piece at the same time. Using the F2L method, I was able to speed up my times considerably. Without further ado, here is a complete Rubik's Cube solve. And there you have it, skill complete. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you have a skill that you think I should learn next, go ahead and leave it in the comments. I'll check it out. Thank you so much.